Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me for today's video. So today we're going to be looking at these paper pinwheels. I'll be showing you exactly how to make them. They are absolutely so easy to make using the die. So you get 3 different sizes that you can make as well. So you'll also be needing to go with this is a straw. I've got some paper straws here and some push pins. You know those ones that you put in the cork board, notice board thingies. I've managed to find some nice wooden ones here, so we're going to be using those today as well. Okay, so this is the die set here. You get 12 dies, like I said. You get 3 sizes and all of these embellishments, and you don't just have to make these pinwheels, you can also make them to put them as large embellishments on cards. You can put them on top of gift boxes. You know, you can even make them for taking to the beach as well. So today I'm going to be using the paper pack called Peony Pearlescent Paper Pack. This is an 8x8 and I'm just loving these colorways at the moment, so I think I'm going to go for this pattern here. Let's take that out. There's loads of different colors in here as well, some lovely bright colors and some patterns there too. We've got the florals and some geometrics. Let's pop that aside. Okay, so I've chosen my papers and this will fit through a standard die cutting machine, but because I'm using the 8x8 paper, I'm going to just use my large format one. So here is the smallest one. That does an even smaller one than that one. So this is the large, medium, and this is the small. So I do need to make a tiny one, I think. But today I'm just going to make a large one. And you'll also be needing a hot glue gun for this as well. Let's just try and make some room here. Okay, so I've got my platform. I'm going to pop that down, face down. Okay, let's run that through. Okay, so it's done everything for you. It's done the scoring, it's added the holes. So there is just one more little hole I need to put in. So it's super easy. It's just to pop that through the center just there. So let's grab ourselves a pin. And start putting it together. It's so simple and easy. So we're going to take the first end here with the hole in and pop our pin through there. Then we're going to take the second one next to it, and then we can just work our way around. So I'm standing up to do this, so I'm having trouble seeing the hole, so just work your way around. Normally I'd be doing this sitting down. And then feed the last one through and then pop that through the center hole. I'm hoping that's being picked up, and we have the center hole just like that. Okay, so grab yourself a straw. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill the top, the open top there, just with a bit of glue, just to fill up the top section. Just like that. And then I'm going to push this through. It's up to you. You can test it to see how it works. If you want to push it all the way through. There we go, so mine has gone all the way through. So just to make sure that that moves about still, if you push it in too far it will get jammed. So I'm just going to blow this. Yep, so I'm happy that that works. Oops, and that come out because I haven't secured the other side, but now I know that that works. Let's just get that in again. Okay, and so just to cover this little spike that comes out, it's just literally there just so you don't poke yourself. Just cover that up with a bit of hot glue. It may not hold it in there, it may come, the pin may pop out again. That's just the nature of the pinwheels. I know that when you buy them at the beach it comes with a nail and all that into a wooden one, but this is specifically for paper, so it's going to be a slightly different. Okay, so that is the paper pinwheel. These are a lot of fun to do. So if you can imagine making a whole bunch of these for like parties, going to the beach, weddings, there's just loads of different things that you could do with these. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will list as much as I've used here today, and if I find some more funky ones, I will add those too. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll see you again next time.